Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the InterDesign Forma Magnetic Pencil Cup. Now, this pencil cup can be used all over the place, anywhere you pretty much want, anywhere where there is metal for it to stick to. Now, this is made of stainless steel, which gives it a kind of a sleek, kind of nice design, especially when it's stuck to something and it's like hanging there in midair. It kind of gives off that cool vibe to it, and you have your pencils and stuff stuck to it. The magnet is here. It's like a full back magnet, not just like here or on the sides. It's full back for optimum stickiness to your whatever you're sticking it to, so it's going to be solid, so you don't have to worry about a weight problem when you put stuff in here. You can stick this to whatever metal object you're going to stick it to and fill this thing with pens, pencils, anything else. It's really good for lockers, refrigerators, office cabinets. Especially what I use it for is my dry erase boards at work. Metal. I stick this on there and I fill this thing with all my dry erase markers. Yeah, it's a great way to hold them and to display them and to conveniently have them at your access. They're right there and ready to be used. It's really a good holder, and it's just big enough. It doesn't take up a whole lot of space. It's just enough space to actually hold your stuff. Yeah. Now remember, you can use this anywhere where there's metal backing, something for it to stick to, and it holds it very well. That's a very strong magnet in the back. Yeah, but like I said, mainly I use this for my dry erase boards. I'm very fond of the stainless steel. I get just about everything in stainless steel that I can. I like the way it shines, the way it looks, that sleek look. Yeah. Actually, I was surprised that they had a stainless steel holder for pencils. I just didn't, I don't know, you would think it would be all plastics or something like that, but nah, they had a stainless steel holder for actual markers and pens and pencils. Now, remember, it doesn't have to be pens or pencils that you put in here. You can put just about anything you want in here. You can buy several of them and line them up and use them as receptacles, any kind of dispenser, anything, as long as it doesn't fall through those holes in the front, those lines. and it'll work just fine. It really will. I've had this particular holder. I have 3 of them, but this one I have here at my home. The others I have at my job. I keep this on my the side of my refrigerator, where we have like a little board we used to write things on. It's a chalkboard, and what I keep in here is chalk pens. Not pens, but chalk sticks. Fill this up with those, and yeah. So anybody who wants to leave a note on the chalkboard right next to the refrigerator, will do it using the chalk sticks that are in this. It's a very good idea. It's very, very good, and everyone likes the comfortable access they have to all the chalk sticks inside, this holder. Now, first place I saw this was at a building that I went to. I believe it was a bank, and they had one of these things on their refrigerator, and I thought it was built into the refrigerator because it was metal. But no, I pulled it off, and I thought, oh man, these are pretty cool. I have to get one of these. Yeah, they're very good. Very, very, very good. I like them a lot, and that's why I bought several of them. I didn't find it too easily, looking online just about everywhere, and like I thought, most of the things were plastic, that they were offering. But I finally found it. I found this, and it works very well. I like it a lot. Okay, well, we've been talking about the InterDesign Forma Magnetic Pencil Cup. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.